Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy lovely morning, student. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Martina Setio Pertiwi. You can call me Miss Tina. I am an English teacher of SMP Yas Bandung. Well, student, how are you today? It is very nice to see you here. I hope you are as good as I am. And don't forget to always stay healthy and be happy. In this occasion, we will discuss our lesson in chapter 4. The title is, This is My World. On the last part, we have learned about many kinds surround us, such as things around us, animals around us, and public places around us. Do you still remember? The lesson we are going to learn today are stating things, animals, and public places around us. And in this time, we are going to learn how to use the expression of showing existence such as there is and there are. Jadi di sini kita akan belajar bagaimana penggunaan there is dan there are untuk menyatakan keberadaan suatu benda yang ada di sekitar kita. Well, student, today I'm at school. Here, I would like to show you the things that I found around me. Okay, let's take a look. Look, student, there is a wooden puppet here. It is a big wooden puppet. There is a big wooden puppet. It is Arimba. Let's go to another place. Guys, I'm in front of a classroom. Let's see what I can find in this classroom. Come on. Students, I'm in a classroom right now. Look, there is a clock on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. And here, there are two whiteboards. There are two whiteboards. Let's find some others. Look, those are chairs. There are 3 chairs over here. Wow, I see many kind of things here on the table. Look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 markers on the table. And here, there is a book. Only one book. There is a book on the table. And here, there is an eraser. Only one eraser. There is an eraser on the table. Yep, I have shown you many kind of things that I found in the classroom. Here they are. Yep, there is a book. Ada sebuah buku. There is a book. There is a clock. Ada sebuah jam. There is an eraser. Ada sebuah penghapus. There are 3 chairs. Ada 3 buah kursi. There are 4 markers. Ada 4 buah spidol. There are 2 whiteboards. Ada 2 buah papan tulis. Kalian sudah lihat ya perbedaan dari masing-masing kalimatnya? Sudah kalian coba pahami? Sekarang kita lihat perbedaannya. How they are different. Here, the use of there is. There is a clock on the wall. Ada sebuah jam di dinding. There is a book on the table. Ada sebuah buku di atas meja. There is An eraser on the table. Ada sebuah penghapus di atas meja. Here the use of there are. There are 3 chairs in the classroom. Ada 3 buah kursi di dalam classroom. There are 4 markers on the table. Ada 4 buah spidol di atas meja. There are 2 whiteboards in the classroom. Ada 2 buah papan tulis di dalam kelas. From the sentences, we can see the differences between there is and there are. We can conclude that we use there is to show existence for only one thing or singular noun. Jadi, kita menggunakan there is untuk menyatakan ada yang bendanya hanya satu. Paham ya? And we use there are to show existence for more than one thing or plural noun. Kita gunakan there are untuk menyatakan ada dalam bahasa Inggris di mana benda yang dimaksud lebih dari satu. Kalau jumlahnya cuma satu, kita biasanya menggunakan artikel e dan en yang artinya sebuah, dan ketika bendanya lebih dari satu, biasanya kita menyebutkan jumlah dari benda tersebut, dan juga biasanya kata bendanya berakhiran s maupun es. Now, come on and try to use the expression of there is and there are based on this picture. Look, what is this? Yup, right. This is a ruler. How many rulers are there in this picture? Only one. There is a ruler. Let's see the next picture. What is this? Books. How many books are there in the picture? Good, 4. So, there are 4 books. Wow, apple. I like apple very much. It is rich of vitamin C. It is good for our health. How many apples are there in the picture? Only 1. So, there is an apple. Good. And the last picture, what is this? Yeah, these are pencils. What a colorful pencil. How many pencils are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yippee! 8 pencils. So, there are 8 pencils. Give applause for us. Yay! Sudah paham ya cara penggunaan there is dan there are. Now, let's practice yourself more. But first of all, please take your notebook and your pen. We are going to make at least 2 sentences using there is and there are. Observe the picture. What picture is this? Yeah, this is a classroom. What things are there in the classroom? In 5 seconds. Okay, have you? Good. Now, observe the second picture. What picture is it? Yeah, it is a zoo. What animals are there in the zoo? In 5 seconds, make at least 2 sentences using there is and there are. Have you? Good job! Now, observe the third picture. What picture is it? Yeah, it is a city. We can find many kind public places in a city. They are school, hospital, restaurant, bank, and many more. So, what public places are there in the city? In 5 seconds, make at least 2 sentences using there is and there are. Have you? Good job! Kalian sudah belajar ya cara penggunaan there is dan there are, bahkan kalian sudah latihan barusan. Before closing this lesson, I have a task for you. Please do it well. Write on your notebook. First, look around and observe your place. Find things, animals, and public places around you. Observe it and make at least 5 sentences using there is and there are based on your observation. If you find any difficulties, you can ask your sister or your brother or your parents. Good luck! Okay guys, that's all our lesson today. Thank you for your kind attention. Have a nice day and don't forget to always stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Don't let the pandemic stop you from learning. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.